today's look is going to be a neutral glam look, kind of natural. I didn't have any inspiration or anything like that, but you know, I just went with the flow. I just sat down and started recording. I didn't have any idea what I was going to do, but this is what I came up with. I be wanting to take my glasses off sometimes for the video, sometimes I don't. Yeah, so I think that you still be able to wear makeup and do glam looks and stuff like that when you wear glasses, you know what I'm saying? So that shouldn't hinder you for doing that. But this is my look. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it.
So right here I'm using the new Urban Decay Brow Blade. I think the color is called Dark Drapes. I like this pencil so far. It's waterproof. So this is the Black Radiance medium to dark bronzing powder. I'm focusing it on my crease, but I'm dragging it out and like buffing it out because I'm going to put a neutral shade of my powder right there. My LA Girl liquid liner looks like this. The tip looks like that. Hopefully that shows through. I'll get a little closer. Then I'm gonna leave it alone because you mess up one little piece on the wing liner and then everything's I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer quickly. I'm gonna try to go back and forth between the mirrors so I can look in here, look in there. But I already put my moisturizer on, so right now I'm about to use, oh, I keep forgetting this thing is close to me. My Makeup Forever Primer, Step 1. I just purchased this, only been using it for about a week and a half. So Bruh. Like a lot. Ooh. This stuff has a it has a nice smell to it, but it does have a scent. So if you don't like scents, then don't buy them. But so far, since my skin is very, very oily, haven't found any primer really that condenses my oil throughout the day. And foundation, NARS. I go in between this. Or I might use this and mix it with the Maybelline or my Fenty. Oh my God. I hope I didn't hurt her. No, I got carpet, so she good. Anywho.
What's up, Buttercup? What's new, boo-boo? So after that, I'm just going to show you the foundations that I use. But I'm going to fast forward through this part, and the concealer, and then the powder, and everything like that.
Yeah, and I'm gonna fast forward the rest. So right here, I forgot to mention that the shade that I'm wearing is NYX in the shade Deep Sable, and I mixed it with the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cappuccino.
All up in my section, Instagram and shit. I be with some real hitters, damn.
Clearly my phone came on, so I had to do a little dance So right now I'm just adding some of the powder that I put on earlier. just to enhance the color of the eyeshadow. The shade I'm using in the MAC powder is NC47. I dust off my powder. I added liner at the bottom and mascara at the bottom. And I finished my contour. So right now I'm about to add a highlight. This right here. And just put that on. Because realistically, I was going to do a red lip, but I'm not doing all that because I'm about to go eat and drink. Lip liner in this color here. It's color Downtown Beauty. It's going to be very monochromatic, and I wasn't going to do that, but here we are. I'm just lining my lips. Oh God. An orange blossom. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I'm gonna just a little bit. Let's see but I think this is really cute or whatever like that. Let me see if I can take some pictures. Well, right here is my finished look. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.